Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Hollywood. Let's go back to the 90s.
More and more and more. I don't know where we're going to.
All you wonderful 90s people.
More and more and more. There's so much we don't wanna do.
Oh yeah, the love, the energy, yes.
We lie, we cheat, and we run from each and every heart affair.
Oh, I love you, my brother, yes.
We lie, we cheat, and we hurt till somebody's in despair.
Prague, I need everybody, put your hands together. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Yo, somebody say hey, yo. Say hey, yo. Say hey, yo. Keep it tuned. Hollywood will zoom left to the point, right to the point. Smoke it like it's a joint. Make it. Ain't got time to be thinking. It's my turn and I'm taking everything without thinking. Yo, here is the bacon. Happy. It's how we should be. Realize that we are wealthy. Living here on this earth. Enjoy what it's worth. Anger left behind you. Just don't let it find you. We're not remain.
More and more and more.
Yes.
I don't know where we're going to.
Let's go back to the 90s.
More and more and more. There's so much we don't wanna do.
I see you, brother. Yes.
We lie, we cheat, and we run from each and every heart affair.
I love your energy tonight. Yes.
We lie, we cheat, and we hurt till somebody's in despair.
Let's do it.
More and more and more. I don't know where we're going to. More and more and more. There's so much we don't wanna do.
Come on.
We lie, we cheat, and we run from each and every heart affair.
I love your energy. Yes.
We lie, we cheat, and we hurt till somebody's in despair.
Ladies and gentlemen, come on.
More and more and more. More and more and more.
Come on. Rock this way. More and more. Come on. More. Why? More. Come on. More. More. More and more. More. Why? More. Come on. More. More. More and more. Ladies and gentlemen, Prague, my 90s people, you guys are so wonderful. I want to say thank you so much for allowing us to perform our old songs for you tonight. This is going to be the last performance of myself. I'm going to retire. But 40 years of Eurodays. I'm an old man now, you know, but I'm gonna have my crew that's gonna continue my legacy, so I don't want my songs or my legacy to be forgotten about. So I want to thank you for your support for so many years from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Make some noise! next song, please. Play the next song. Play
We're flying high. We're flying right to the sky. We fly so high. We're flying right to the
Let's go.
We're flying